Don't you want to be an MS genius? People love salted caramel because of the contrast of flavors. It's buttery, it's comforting, salty, and sweet. But we can add even more dimension and depth to this sauce by bringing in the fifth taste, umami, with the help of MSG. So what is MSG, and why are we afraid of it? MSG has gotten a bad reputation over the last 50 years and has been blamed for all kinds of things like headaches, shortness of breath, and even depression. But scientists haven't been able to replicate these symptoms in a laboratory setting. So why wouldn't you want a caramel that's sweet, salty, and a little savory? It's really easy to make. All you need is a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 teaspoon of MSG, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. So the first thing we're gonna do is add about a 1/4 cup of water to the pot. Then we're gonna add a cup of sugar, and then you're just gonna give that a little stir to combine. And once it looks like that, you're gonna go ahead and turn on the heat. You want it at medium-high. And now you just have to leave it alone for a bit and let it do its thing. Every once in a while though, you wanna dip a pastry brush in some water and this gently kind of wash down the sides so you don't have any sugar crystals. Bring the mixture to a boil, then slowly add half a cup of heavy cream, whisking constantly as you pour it. Add your butter, whisk that in. Then add your MSG and salt. Remove it from the heat and let your caramel come to a safe temperature. So now that we've got this kind of savory, kind of funky, sweet and salty, but completely harmless caramel, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle it on some ice cream. That is good stuff. I could not be more pleased with myself right now. That is incredible. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna finish this.